What ancient things lie deep beneath the water, where once thriving cities stood? Long ago, these vibrant, developed cities are now submerged, halfway beneath the sea, forgotten for thousands of years. These sunken cities are scattered all over the world, especially beneath the Mediterranean Sea, where over 200 lonely, desolate cities have been found. What we see today are just the remnants, but archaeologists confirm these cities once existed, now lying forgotten underwater. Could these underwater ruins be evidence of humanity's earliest civilizations? Or are they proof of the incredible building skills of ancient humans? And if so, could these skills have been passed down from somewhere else, from ancient legends that say something or someone descended from the sky? Could they be extraterrestrials or an advanced civilization unknown to us? Since ancient times, sailors and travelers have shared tales of mysterious lights shining beneath the water's surface, mysterious beams signaling something extraordinary. This leads to speculation that there might be secret underwater bases, perhaps even alien bases. Millions around the world believe that extraterrestrials once visited Earth and might have helped shape human history. If that's true, what stories do these submerged ruins tell us about our past? Our journey to uncover Earth's history and search for ancient extraterrestrial evidence leads us deep into the vast oceans. Oceans cover over 71% of Earth's surface, yet humans have only explored about 5% of that area. It's incredible to realize we know more about outer space than about our own oceans. For a long time, humans could only guess about the civilizations hidden beneath the sea. But today, modern technology and scientific advances have given us diving equipment that can reach greater depths, operate more reliably, and gather more information than ever before. This is the foundation for oceanographers worldwide to finally explore the forgotten underwater world. A series of astonishing discoveries have left us puzzled and questioning the history of human civilization's formation, growth, and eventual disappearance. Beneath the ocean lie vast architectural complexes and monuments. The ruins of ancient urban civilizations spread across various regions of the world, some dating back over 10,000 years or even older. Scientists explain that during the last ice age, sea levels were much lower than today. Geological evidence shows that vast regions of northern Europe and North America were covered by ice sheets up to 2 miles thick, locking away massive amounts of water. As the climate warmed, these glaciers melted, causing sea levels to rise and gradually submerge coastal lands. It's estimated that about 10 million square miles of land were drowned, an area equal to the combined size of Europe and China. Everything on that land simply vanished from Earth's history. From my perspective, modern archaeology has yet to fully explore this potential and estimated the true loss of people and events during Earth's 4.5 billion year history. While most of the ocean floor remains unexplored, ancient sages long ago recognized one of the greatest mysteries of the sea, the legend of the lost city of Atlantis. Most of what we know about Atlantis comes from the Greek philosopher Plato, who described it in his works Timaeus and Critias around 360 BC. He portrayed Atlantis as a highly advanced city surrounded by concentric circular walls, flourishing in its time. According to Plato, the citizens of Atlantis had contact with extraterrestrials from the earliest stages of their civilization. The myth says Atlantis was an island created by the sea god Poseidon, who married a mortal woman named Cleito and had 5 pairs of twins. The eldest son, Atlas, became the city's first ruler. Atlantis was described as rich and beautiful, with golden temples, precious metals, and buildings decorated with red, white, and black stones. It was said to be a self-sufficient land where gods and humans lived with advanced irrigation systems and agriculture. The inhabitants possessed powers to control weather, manipulate volcanic eruptions, and had devices enabling time travel. Legend tells that Atlantis was destroyed in a single day and night, possibly by internal conflict or natural disaster, and sank beneath the waves, becoming a mystery for millennia. Some researchers believe Atlantis was real, though its exact location remains unknown. In 1968, archaeologist Manson Valentine discovered an unusual rock formation off the coast of Bimini Island, just 4 to 5 meters underwater. Initially thought to be natural, further studies suggested the rocks were deliberately arranged, likely part of an ancient harbor. The stones formed complex structures resembling streets, pyramids, and monuments, indicating a lost civilization. In the year 2000, while mapping the seabed of the western coast of Cuba, a research team led by oceanographer Paulina Kleisky discovered symmetrical stone structures deep underwater. They descended more than half a mile beneath the surface, beyond the reach of most conventional diving equipment, using remotely operated submersibles equipped with cameras and robotic arms, along with sonar scanners. They recorded a vast area of the ocean floor. Their discoveries included massive stone blocks, some stacked with sharp edges and perfect symmetry, clear signs of artificial construction. They also found straight roads resembling wide avenues and enormous pyramids. Most of these stone slabs measured over 5 meters tall and weighed several tons. Approximately 30 geometric structures were identified, including roads, buildings, tunnels, and pyramids, all lying about 70 meters underwater. Comparing these underwater ruins with known land-based ancient civilizations, archaeologists noticed striking architectural similarities, fueling curiosity among scholars. Many believe the Maya civilization may have descended from a highly advanced ancient culture that suddenly disappeared. Observing the underwater complexes near Cuba's Bay of Bimini reminded researchers of the architecture on Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula and other regions, hinting at a lost chapter in history. The Maya were known for their sophisticated science, technology, medicine, mathematics, and astronomy, knowledge likely inherited from a mother civilization. The intricate structures found underwater could explain why there's no clear early developmental stage for Maya civilization. Perhaps their roots trace back to the sunken cities. Based on volcanic activity nearby, some scholars estimate that this underwater city submerged more than 6,000 years ago, possibly linking it to the legendary Atlantis described in ancient texts. Plato's accounts mention multiple islands in an empire of varying sizes, indicating that Atlantis might not have been a single landmass, but a group of islands now submerged beneath the Atlantic Ocean. This vast underwater region includes Cuba and the Bahamas, forming part of a complex of ruins along the western edge of the Bermuda Triangle, a vast oceanic zone famous for unusual magnetic fields, alien sightings, and mysterious disappearances of planes and ships. In 1977, scientists discovered a mysterious pyramid-shaped structure, approximately 200 meters tall, located about 2,000 meters beneath the Bermuda Triangle. The pyramid's blue-green glow contrasted starkly with the dark ocean depths. This underwater pyramid attracted global scientific interest and was further studied by American and French researchers using advanced submarine detection equipment. Its base diameter reaches about 300 meters, and it rises approximately 200 meters, standing 100 meters above the surrounding seabed. Some Western scientists speculate the pyramid was originally constructed on land but sank due to prehistoric earthquakes. The widespread underwater ruins from Bimini to the western edge of the Bermuda Triangle suggest a single, highly advanced civilization, now lost to time. This matches the era Plato described for Atlantis, and the Bermuda Triangle itself has long been associated with strange phenomena, portals through space-time, and mysterious alien activity. Some theorists propose the underwater pyramid is a remnant of alien technology or a power station that once controlled energy fields from space. These discoveries lead to intriguing questions. Why are two underwater structures found near two mysterious oceanic regions, the Bermuda Triangle and the Dragon's Triangle near Japan, both located near 25 degrees north latitude? Is this a coincidence, or do these places share a hidden connection? Both regions feature submerged pyramids and strange occurrences, such as UFO sightings and inexplicable disappearances. Could these underwater pyramids be alien bases? Were these sites chosen by extraterrestrials as secret underwater headquarters? If UFOs exist, could they have originated from an ancient, advanced civilization that once thrived beneath their waves? Further evidence comes from Japan's Yonaguni Monument, a submerged stepped pyramid off Japan's coast, discovered in the 1980s by Diverki Hachiro Aratake. The structure measures about 200 meters long and 140 meters wide, with its highest point 26 meters underwater. It features staircases, roads, tunnels, and massive stone blocks carved with precision. Archaeologists believe the Yonaguni monument formed around 10,000 years ago, predating Egypt's pyramids. Some even argue it surpasses the complexity of ancient Mesopotamian and Egyptian structures. Despite decades of research, the monument's origin remains a mystery. Many believe it is man-made, challenging conventional historical timelines and suggesting an advanced civilization existed long before previously thought. Let's now journey to Central and South America, where ancient civilizations like the Nazca and the Maya have left behind equally mysterious legacies. The Nazca lines in Peru, vast geoglyphs etched into the desert floor, depict animals, humans, and geometric shapes visible only from the sky. How did a civilization without flying machines or modern technology create such precise, enormous designs? Some researchers suggest these lines were made as signals or landing pads for extraterrestrial visitors. Similarly, in Colombia, legends speak of the lost city of the monkey god, a place shrouded in mystery and rich with gold artifacts. Treasure hunters discovered small golden figurines shaped like insects and fish, but among them were several statues with features eerily resembling modern fighter jets, complete with wings, tail fins, and even cockpit details. In the late 20th century, German scientists Miguel Aldan and Peter Belk attempted to build scale models based on these golden statues. To their surprise, the models flew exceptionally well, demonstrating remarkable aerodynamic properties. This leads to the question, did these ancient cultures have access to advanced knowledge about flight? Or were they recording what they saw, visitors from the stars? Similar stories appear in Africa and the Middle East. Ancient texts and artwork show beings descending from the heavens, sometimes described as gods, angels, or spirits. But could these have been early encounters with advanced extraterrestrial civilizations? In Ethiopia, the Kebra Nagast describes a flying carpet gifted by King Solomon to Queen Sheba, which some interpret as a form of ancient advanced technology. Chinese legends about dragons flying through the sky might also be symbolic descriptions of ancient rocket like devices. Across many cultures, stories tell of sky beings imparting wisdom and technology, from agriculture to astronomy to architecture. The widespread presence of these myths and artifacts worldwide suggests a shared history of interaction between humans and beings from beyond Earth. If this is true, then the incredible architectural and scientific achievements of ancient civilizations, like the Egyptian pyramids, the temples of Angkor, or the ziggurats of Mesopotamia, may have been influenced or guided by extraterrestrial knowledge. For example, the precise alignment of many ancient structures with celestial bodies shows a level of astronomical understanding that is hard to explain purely through human observation. Take the pyramids of Giza. Their alignment with the Orion constellation and the mathematical precision in their construction continue to baffle modern engineers. Similarly, Angkor Wat in Cambodia is not just an architectural marvel, but a symbolically rich complex that reflects cosmic principles from Hindu cosmology. The question remains, who were these gods who shared this advanced knowledge? Were they simply symbolic representations, or were they real beings with a technology far beyond that of their time? In the next section, we will delve into the scientific evidence and archaeological discoveries that support these astonishing possibilities. Continuing our exploration, let's examine some of the fascinating archaeological discoveries and scientific research that challenge conventional history. One of the most striking examples is the ancient city of Göbekli Tepe in modern-day Turkey. Dating back over 11,000 years, it predates Stonehenge by thousands of years. The intricacy and scale of the carved stone pillars here suggest a highly advanced culture capable of organizing complex construction projects long before what we considered the dawn of civilization. This discovery upends the traditional timeline, hinting that advanced knowledge and social organization existed much earlier than textbooks suggest. Meanwhile, in South America, the mysterious Pumapunku ruins in Bolivia astonish with their precision-cut stone blocks. Some blocks weigh over 100 tons, perfectly shaped and joined with interlocking mechanisms that modern technology struggles to replicate. The exact methods of cutting and transporting these massive stones remain unknown. Researchers speculate that tools far more sophisticated than copper or bronze chisels, typically attributed to the ancient Andean cultures, were used, possibly passed down from a forgotten civilization or external visitors. This leads to an even broader theory that a global network of ancient cultures once shared knowledge, technologies, and beliefs, connecting distant regions like Egypt, Mesopotamia, the Americas, and Asia through trade, religion, or perhaps something beyond human understanding. Across continents, we find remarkable architectural similarities: pyramids, stepped temples, stone circles, and celestial alignments. The question arises, how did these geographically and temporally separated cultures develop such similar architectural and scientific concepts? Some scholars propose the existence of a lost civilization, predating all known ancient cultures, with advanced technology and cosmological understanding. Others consider the possibility of extraterrestrial intervention, suggesting that beings from other worlds visited Earth in the distant past and influenced human development. Supporting this hypothesis are various artifacts, such as the Saqqara bird from Egypt, a wooden model resembling a glider, and the Baghdad battery, an ancient clay jar believed by some to have generated electricity. Additionally, the presence of ancient texts describing flying machines, like the Vimanas in Indian Sanskrit literature, adds to the intrigue. The Vimanas were described as aerial vehicles powered by mysterious energy sources, capable of traveling vast distances, even through space. While many dismiss these as myths or allegories, some researchers argue that these stories preserve the memory of real technology lost to time. Interestingly, modern science is beginning to explore concepts once deemed science fiction. Studies into anti-gravity, wireless energy transmission, and zero-point energy resonate with ancient descriptions. Nikola Tesla's work on wireless electricity and resonant energy transmission, for example, mirrors theories about how the Great Pyramid may have functioned as a giant power generator. Could ancient structures have harnessed natural energy fields or cosmic forces? Moreover, ancient monuments often align precisely with astronomical phenomena, solstices, equinoxes, planetary cycles. This suggests a sophisticated understanding of astronomy and mathematics, skills crucial for agriculture, navigation, and religious rituals. Yet, how did prehistoric societies acquire such knowledge? Some propose that these were gifts from enlightened beings, gods who shared celestial wisdom with humans. In religious texts worldwide, gods are often portrayed as beings descending from the heavens, teaching humanity arts, sciences, and governance. If these tales have a basis in reality, then the influence of these beings might explain the sudden leaps in ancient human knowledge. Finally, new technological methods, like satellite imagery, radar scanning, and advanced dating techniques, are unveiling previously hidden archaeological sites. These technologies reveal vast, complex ancient cities beneath jungles, deserts, and ocean floors, indicating civilizations far more advanced than previously believed. In summary, the evidence suggests that our history might be far richer and more complex, involving interactions with unknown forces or civilizations. As we move forward, we will examine specific cases of ancient technology and the implications for our understanding of human history. Continuing our journey through the depths of ancient mysteries, let's turn to the legendary lost city of Atlantis. For centuries, Atlantis has captured imaginations worldwide, described by Plato as a magnificent island kingdom, rich in resources and advanced technology, suddenly swallowed by the sea. According to Plato's dialogues, Timaeus and Critias, Atlantis was a powerful civilization that existed about 9,000 years before his time. It was said to have great architectural marvels, vast harbors, and intricate waterways. The Atlanteans possessed knowledge and technologies far beyond what was known to the rest of the ancient world. Some ancient legends describe Atlantis as a place blessed by the gods, but also warn of its hubris and downfall. The story tells that after a failed invasion of Athens, Atlantis was destroyed by a cataclysmic event, earthquakes, floods, and volcanic eruptions that sank the entire island beneath the ocean. While many believe Atlantis is purely mythical, modern discoveries of submerged ruins around the world have revived interest in the possibility that Plato's story might be rooted in historical events. One such discovery was made in 1968 by marine explorer Robert Ballard near the coast of Bimini Island in the Bahamas. He found underwater stone formations, including paved roads and rectangular blocks that resembled human construction. These Bimini Road formations sparked debates about their origins, natural or man-made. Further investigations uncovered other submerged structures in the Caribbean Sea, off the coasts of Cuba and the Bahamas. Some researchers suggest these sites could be remnants of an ancient civilization like Atlantis, or connected to the cultural developments of the Maya and other Mesoamerican peoples. Intriguingly, many underwater archaeological sites date back 10,000 years or more, aligning with the time frame Plato mentioned. This raises questions about the true age of human civilization and how much has been lost due to rising sea levels after the last ice age. Adding to the mystery are the legends passed down by indigenous peoples and ancient texts describing fallen lands and cataclysmic floods. Moreover, the concept of Atlantis and other lost civilizations often intertwines with theories about ancient astronauts, extraterrestrial beings who may have visited Earth and influenced human development. Some speculate that advanced knowledge of astronomy, architecture, and technology found in ancient ruins was gifted by these visitors. Tales of gods descending from the skies, teaching humanity secret knowledge, are found in cultures across the globe. Whether or not these theories are true, the discovery of underwater ruins challenges conventional history and invites us to reconsider humanity's origins. Could there have been advanced societies on Earth long before recorded history? Could the myths of gods and lost continents be memories of real events? And what does all this mean for our understanding of human potential and destiny? Exploring these questions takes us deep into the realm of possibility, blending archaeology, mythology, science, and imagination. As researchers dive deeper, equipped with better technology and fresh perspectives, they continue to uncover artifacts and ruins that reshape our historical narrative. From the ruins beneath the waves to the stories carved in ancient stones, the past still whispers secrets waiting to be heard. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the mysteries of our forgotten ancestors and the worlds they once inhabited. As we delve further into the enigma of ancient submerged cities and civilizations, another fascinating region demands our attention: the Bermuda Triangle, known as the Devil's Triangle. This infamous area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean has long been the subject of mystery and speculation. Stretching roughly between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this triangular zone has witnessed numerous unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. What makes it even more intriguing is the discovery of an enormous underwater pyramid-shaped structure within this region. In the late 1970s, oceanographers using sonar scanning technology detected a colossal pyramid beneath the ocean floor, measuring about 300 meters wide at its base and rising 200 meters tall, larger than the Great Pyramid of Giza. The pyramid's construction seemed remarkably precise, with smooth sides and sharp edges, sparking debates about whether it was a natural formation or an ancient man-made monument. Its location in the Bermuda Triangle, an area notorious for mysterious phenomena, fueled speculation about a lost civilization or alien involvement. Some researchers suggest that this pyramid could be a remnant of Atlantis, or another advanced society destroyed by natural disasters and engulfed by the sea. The presence of such a structure beneath the Bermuda Triangle offers a tantalizing link between ancient history and modern mysteries, possibly explaining some of the region's strange occurrences. Further afield in the Pacific Ocean lies the Dragon's Triangle near Japan, another zone famous for unexplained disappearances and phenomena similar to those of the Bermuda Triangle. Ancient Japanese legends speak of sea dragons and strange flying creatures, while modern reports include sightings of UFOs and other anomalous events. The Dragon's Triangle is also home to underwater ruins comparable to those found in Yonaguni, adding layers of intrigue to the story of lost civilizations beneath the waves. These two mysterious triangles share a curious alignment near the 25th parallel north and contain pyramidal underwater structures, prompting questions about a possible global pattern or connection. Could these sites be ancient power centers, energy collectors, or gateways between worlds? Some theories propose these pyramids harness cosmic energies or serve as bases for extraterrestrial visitors. The mysterious energy fields and frequent disappearances in these regions suggest more than mere coincidence. While mainstream science remains skeptical, these discoveries compel us to keep questioning and exploring. Is there a hidden history beneath the oceans, linking ancient civilizations, extraterrestrial life, and unexplained phenomena? The ocean depths hold stories far beyond our current understanding, and every new expedition brings us closer to unveiling these secrets. Our journey through submerged history and mystery is far from over. Now, let's explore another astonishing underwater discovery near Japan, the Yonaguni Monument. Found off the coast of Yonaguni Island in the Ryukyu Islands, this massive submerged rock formation has sparked intense debate among scientists and researchers. At first glance, Yonaguni looks like a natural geological structure shaped by erosion, but closer inspection reveals sharp angles, terraces, staircases, and walls that suggest human craftsmanship. This submerged city-like formation stretches over 200 meters east to west and about 140 meters north to south, with some parts rising nearly 27 meters above the seabed. Archaeologists and geologists have studied these formations extensively, uncovering stone carvings, steps, and tunnels carved into the rock, resembling features typical of ancient man-made structures. Dating estimates place the construction of Yonaguni around 10,000 years ago, coinciding with the end of the last ice age when sea levels were much lower. This means that Yonaguni might have been above water and inhabited before it was gradually submerged due to rising seas. If true, this challenges the conventional timeline of human civilization, suggesting advanced societies existed far earlier than traditionally believed. The precise engineering, symmetry, and scale of the monument have led some to hypothesize that it was built by a highly advanced prehistoric culture, possibly connected to other lost civilizations such as Atlantis. Further mystery surrounds the purpose of Yonaguni. Some suggest it was a ceremonial site or an ancient temple complex, while others think it could have functioned as a city or a harbor. Theories involving ancient astronauts also surface here, proposing that extraterrestrial beings might have contributed to its construction or used it as a base. Yonaguni stands as a silent testament beneath the waves, inviting us to reconsider the origins and capabilities of early humans. Not far from Yonaguni, similar submerged structures and artifacts have been discovered, reinforcing the idea that this region was once a hub of human activity. Moreover, local legends and folklore speak of ancient kingdoms and cities lost to the sea, echoing the archaeological findings. These discoveries push us to rethink history, to question the accepted narratives, and remain open to new possibilities. Are we missing chapters in humanity's story? Was there a forgotten era of technological and architectural mastery lost to rising waters? Yonaguni and other underwater sites are keys to unlocking these mysteries. As science progresses and exploration continues, perhaps one day we will fully understand these enigmas. Now, let's travel to the mysterious Bermuda Triangle, a region infamous for unexplained disappearances and strange phenomena. Beneath its deep waters lies an enigmatic structure that has fascinated scientists and explorers alike. In 1977, researchers using advanced sonar equipment discovered a massive underwater pyramid, nearly 200 meters tall, off the coast of the Bermuda Islands. This pyramid's base measures around 300 meters in diameter, making it larger than the Great Pyramid of Giza. The structure glows with an eerie blue light, contrasting with the dark depths around it. Its perfectly symmetrical geometry strongly suggests it was built, not naturally formed. Some speculate that this underwater pyramid could be remnants of an ancient civilization, lost beneath the ocean due to catastrophic events. Others theorize that it might be connected to alien technology or used as a power source tapping into cosmic energies, explaining some of the mysterious electromagnetic anomalies reported in the Bermuda Triangle. Similar to other underwater pyramids found near Japan and the Caribbean, this structure challenges our understanding of human history and ancient technology. Is it possible that advanced civilizations existed simultaneously across the globe, now hidden beneath rising seas? Adding to the mystery are numerous reports of UFO sightings, unexplained lights, and disappearances in the region, fueling speculation about extraterrestrial involvement. Meanwhile, the nearby Dragon's Triangle off the coast of Japan mirrors many of the Bermuda Triangle's strange phenomena, including vanishing ships and strange lights. In the waters of the Dragon's Triangle, explorers have found ancient submerged ruins with structures resembling pyramids and other geometric formations. Legends from Japan tell of sea dragons and mysterious flying creatures, perhaps ancient interpretations of advanced technology or alien visitors. These parallels between distant regions hint at the possible global network of ancient civilizations or alien bases. Could these submerged sites be gateways or power nodes for unknown technologies, influencing Earth's energy fields and weather patterns? While mainstream science remains skeptical, the evidence from underwater archaeology and folklore cannot be ignored. The story of these underwater cities, pyramids, and the legends surrounding them invites us to broaden our perspective on history. They remind us that the oceans hold countless secrets, many yet to be discovered, potentially rewriting everything we thought we knew. As we conclude this series of explorations into the lost worlds beneath the waves, remember, history is alive and waiting to be uncovered. The mysteries of our planet's past beckon us to continue searching, questioning, and imagining. Thank you for joining this journey into the deep. If you enjoyed this deep dive into ancient underwater mysteries, please like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations. Stay curious, and until next time, keep looking beyond the surface.